The excavator magnet lifts with claws, also known as hydraulics. Controlled magnetic chuck utilizes a hydraulic motor to generate electricity and powers the suction cup, creating suction for securely fixing workpieces. It boasts strong suction, stability, high precision, and ease of operation, making it ideal for machinery manufacturing, construction engineering, and waste recycling. It has the following features. The suction cup is made of wear-resistant and heat-resistant material, with a large opening and a large grasping range. Conventional breaker pipeline. One-way pipeline is enough. The oil return pipe interface is fixed, and there is no need to connect the oil tank of the excavator separately. Remote control plus receiving box. Safe, convenient, and fast degaussing.